In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use PartnerStack's Referral Program Analytics. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your program, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to maximize your results. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to track your partner's performance and make data-driven decisions to boost your affiliate marketing success. Now, if you're new to PartnerStack, it's a powerful platform that makes managing your referral programs a breeze. You can use their referral program analytics to keep tabs on how well your partners are performing, track conversions, and gain insights into the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Let's dive into the PartnerStack dashboard. Once you log in, you'll find an easy-to-navigate interface with an analytics section that shows you key metrics like signups, conversions, and commissions. Right at the top, you'll see a summary of your overall referral program performance. But to dig deeper, you can click on the specific metrics that matter most to you. Start by taking a look at the Partner Performance tab. This section shows how each individual partner is performing, so you can see who's driving the most conversions. It gives you an at-a-glance view of the top-performing partners and helps you identify any potential areas for improvement. If a partner isn't hitting the mark, you can analyze their traffic and conversion rates to figure out what's going wrong and tweak your strategy accordingly. Next, the conversion funnel is one of the most valuable features of PartnerStack's Referral Program Analytics. It allows you to track each step of the referral process, from when a lead signs up to when they convert into a paying customer. This funnel view helps you see exactly where leads are dropping off, so you can optimize your referral program to keep them moving toward a successful conversion. Don't overlook the revenue tracking feature. This is where you can see how much revenue your partners are generating for your business. With this data, you can assess the ROI of your referral program and determine which partners are contributing the most to your bottom line. It's essential to measure this accurately to keep your program running profitably. PartnerStack also lets you export your analytics data, which means you can create reports for further analysis or share them with your team. This is incredibly useful if you want to track long-term trends or present data in client meetings. Simply download the data in your preferred format and you're good to go. As you become more familiar with the platform, you can start customizing your dashboard to show the metrics that matter most to you. Want to see your top performing partners front and center? Or maybe you prefer to focus on revenue? You can tailor the layout to fit your needs, making it even easier to track the success of your referral program. And if you're looking to scale, the referral payouts section allows you to automate partner payouts based on their performance. This streamlines the process and keeps your partners happy by ensuring they get paid on time. Plus, it saves you the headache of manual calculations. Before we wrap up, let me tell you that you can try out PartnerStack for free with the exclusive offer I've linked below. You'll get access to the full suite of features, including referral program analytics, with some awesome bonuses to help you hit the ground running. If you're serious about growing your referral program and boosting your revenue, PartnerStack's analytics tools are an absolute must. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial.